Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA rallied on the likelihood of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds securing regulatory approval. Bitcoin traded above $31,000 mark. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.7% at 40,770 points. In another interesting news, Coinbase gained more than 10% after BlackRock, an asset manager giant, resubmitted its application for the spot ETF to the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Meanwhile, the brokerage firm Bernstein said in a research report that the US Securities and Exchange Commission's stance on spot Bitcoin ETF is a difficult one to hold and the probability for approval is fairly high. The optimism bolstered investor sentiment, resulting in increased buying interest. In other news, the Nasdaq has refiled investment giant BlackRock's proposed spot BTC ETF, joining rivals in naming the US exchange Coinbase as the market that will be monitored in so-called surveillance sharing agreement. Two big exchanges, the Nasdaq and CBOE, preparing ground for ETF launch remains a big positive for VDAs. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.21 trillion mark as it gained as much as 0.6% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased about 16% to $36.8 billion. Bitcoin Cash, a decentralized peer-to-peer electronic cash system and hard fork of Bitcoin, produced a spectacular half-year performance, earning a return of over 200% as opposed to price of Bitcoin, which has seen an 85% increase year to date. Interestingly, privacy-focused cryptocurrency and blockchain watch price has been melting faces since last week as the privacy coin surged 400% last week and is up by 189% in the last 24 hours. Litecoin has been trending on social media as the asset approaches the halving event. Meanwhile, LTC has emerged as one of the best performing tokens of the past week. It has also been observed that when Litecoin hype levels climb in anticipation of blockchain's halving event, demand for the asset increases. Due to Independence Day, the US markets are shut and hence the trading volumes will be low. Bitcoin was trading at $31,030, up 1.3%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.2%, trading at $1,958. On my left, BNB was down by 1.7% to trade at $245. Solana Sol was down 1.2% and was trading at $19.2. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $13.2, lower 0.5%. However, Cardano's ADA token was up by 0.5% to trade at $0.29. Polygon Matic was trading up by 2.1% to trade at $0.70. Next on the list is Doge, the popular meme coin. It was trading up by 0.4% at $0.068, and Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.2%. The Ripple XRP token traded at $0.48, up by 1%. Polkadot was again up by 0.1% to trade at $5.5. And now let's move on to our technical analyst, Mr. Rahul Jain, for his technical views on overall cryptocurrency market.
Daily candle of BTC chart. Earlier I have told you that there is a BTC inverse head and shoulder chart pattern formation under the BTC chart, and then it also gave upside as well, and then there was a formation of a channel which was forming, and I clearly told if this range is tested, then we can see again once upside as well. But clearly that can be a stop loss of 23,600. If it goes below this, it will go below here. But clearly we can see that the chart has clearly touched this particular resistance. Now it has become a support here, and after this support it has also broken a particular trend line which you can see here, and it has broken, and it is right now trading around 30,000 to 31,000 range. Right now if we see, there is a range bound resistance. Right now from here, like 3,900 to 32,300, we can say is a resistance zone. So once this zone is broken, I think we will see around this 37,500 to 39,000 or even 40,000, right? So 40,000 range, around 37 to 39 is what I am expecting. After that, we will have to see whether the market goes upside or it comes to test here in this particular. This is what we are expecting. Now what we can see is if this resistance is not broken, we might even also see around 26,800 as well, right? 26,600. So 26,600 to 700 is the range we can see the market again. Clearly depends on what the market is going to go in next few days. But are you willing to take a trade now? If yes, if you want to take this, because generally market tends to cross only after the third or fourth times, so it can be a fake out also here. So if you are taking a trade now, it can be risky, but if you want to take, I think you can keep your stop loss at 32,800, and if you enter now, you can keep your profit range around 26,600 to 700, right? So that can be the range. And if further dips, then I think anybody who is also trying to let's say if they are planning to take a trade for long from here or particular range 25,300, I think 25,300 will be not possible at this moment, but clearly we have to wait until the market touches 26,700. This market is right now is under a situation where gold is dipping and coming back, and the dollar indexing is right now again at 103 index. So I think everything is right now the market might give decision in few days. Just wait for a couple of, I think I can say 1 or 2 weeks will give you an idea of where exactly the market is heading. Till then, thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rahul, for sharing your views on overall cryptocurrency market. Well, that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please log on to our website www.3worstv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.0 stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.